Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. How are we all doing? That's the question I want to ask. Are we okay? We're in some crazy times at the moment. I mean, we don't need to be reminded we're in a coronavirus pandemic. Let's not beat on about it, but it's difficult. It's a tough time. We can't avoid talking about it. So I just want to really extend out a little bit of courtesy. Are we okay? How are we doing? Let me know. Let me know. One of the reasons that we want to shoot this video was really as a continuation on a video that we shot, I think it was last Friday, which is all about the role of art galleries. Now, I think some of my comments really stirred up a hornet's nest, and I got my own opinions on the whole system and how it works. We've had some very interesting comments, some really positive ones, some not so, and some downright nasty ones as well, which is, it's unfortunate. Some people want to air their dirty washing. I get that. It's sad, but that's fine. If they want to do that in public, no problem. Doesn't bother me at all. But one of the key things I mentioned in that video, and I will pop a link down below so you can have a look. One of the things I talked about was having a central location for all your work. Now, I always recommend that that should be a website. Don't glaze over. It's okay. By mentioning that, I also wanted to look at ways that I can practically help you if that's something you want to do, whether you've got one or not, whether you want to make one or not, even if you're with a gallery or not. Actually, having a website is, in my opinion, very, very, very important, and you can do it. Now, with Adi and myself, we shot a few videos late last week about trying to give practical advice on how to build one, what platforms to use, what kind of things to look for, the role of optimizing for search engines, that kind of stuff. We were a little bit worried that it might get a bit heavy and quite complicated, so I haven't launched any of those videos. So the question I want to ask you is this. If you think that that information is going to be worthwhile, that you can benefit from it, please do let us know in the comments. And we'll start and publish some videos on the practical ways that we can help you build a good website, a good platform for your amazing work. So please do let us know, very important. Now, in the coming weeks and months, there's every possibility that we're all going to have quite a bit of time on our hands. So what better way to use it than to get social? What do I mean by that? Social media, those two wonderful words. Honestly, don't panic. Have you got social media accounts? Look, if you're not on Facebook or Instagram, don't panic. There's 1,000 tutorials on YouTube, which is where you'll be viewing this, about how to do that. So if you haven't already, I do urge you to go and do it. And there's lots of reasons why, but the main one is this. In this time now, we've got the perfect opportunity to make connections. More so than ever, we need to make connections because we can only at the moment do it virtually, because we can't really do it socially. So let's keep those connections going. Let's make new ones, and social media is the perfect platform to do it on. So, hopefully you'll be watching this on YouTube. YouTube's a wonderful platform to either gain information, learn how to do things, or use it for some kind of self-improvement. Go check our social media channels out. We'll put a little splash screen on so you can see what they are, and they'll all be down below. But essentially, you only have to type in Suarez Art, all one word, into Google, and you'll see them all just come up. But that's not a recipe for self-promotion. I actually actively want you to go ahead and do it and give me a follow. Because if you follow me, I'll follow you back, and then that gives us a chance to look at all your amazing work and what you do in your world. And this is the whole point about being connected. Let's keep that going. Let's look at what everybody else is doing. Let's keep a conversation going. Let's be positive. Let's be upbeat about this all. That's the great thing about having some time. We can go ahead and we can do these kinds of things, which is brilliant. And I guess if all else fails, and you don't want to do any of this, switch off and go and create amazing art. Now that's what you do. You're a creative person. Go and make phenomenal stuff. Share it with us. Upload it. Lots and lots of posts. Get it to as many places as possible. Let's all enjoy it. Let's go create the greatest things we've ever done. In this period where we've got some time ahead of us, let's use it constructively. That's the whole point. We'll keep shooting the videos. I'm going to keep painting. AD and I got some phenomenal projects coming up just because we've got time now to think about what it is we want to do. So if you're not researching how to build something, how to do a site, how to build social media, then go create work, share it with us, like everything, follow people, create these connections. That's really, really important. Keep the conversation going with each other. It's so, so important. So guys, please get active in the comments. We want to know how you're doing. We also want to know what you're doing. And if you're on social media, get posting, get sharing all your creative brilliance, because it's just going to help brighten all of our days up. So let's get active. Come on, get into the comments, tell us what you're up to. If you found the video useful, then give us a like. And if you're new here to the channel, then please do consider subscribing. We've got a ton of stuff on the channel which is really useful, and lots more of really cool stuff still to come. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Remember to click the bell icon, and we'll see you very soon. Oh, and yeah, please do take care, everyone.